In the last 2 years, there have been 4 big sell-off events for Bitcoin. Some of this I didn't actually know, so this was really interesting. I thought it was absolutely worth the video. But here's the question. This is your pop quiz. What do you think, what event caused the biggest sell-off in 2022 for Bitcoin? So what event do you think was the event that went down that immediately caused the biggest sell-off event for Bitcoin in 2022? I'm going to answer that here in just a minute. As always, thanks for your time. Greatly appreciate you. And thank you for giving me a voice in this crazy crypto world. Okay. So here are the events. So these are your two 2022 events. You had Russia's Ukraine invasion in 2022, or you have FTX collapse in 2022. Which of these two events was bigger from the standpoint of how much Bitcoin was sold off because of these events? Okay. But then also notice that there was 2 big events that happened in 2021. This one was intriguing to me. And this one is we're going to talk about this one. But okay, so I'm going to answer the question. The single biggest sell-off event for 2022 was Russia's Ukraine invasion in 2000. Was that one? Okay, was not the FTX collapse. In fact, long-term holders sold off 410,000 Bitcoin directly related because of Russia's invasion of the Ukraine. Okay. Interesting. Okay. So here's some other ones. China's Bitcoin mining ban in 2021. So long-term holders sold off 375,000 Bitcoin during China's ban on Bitcoin mining. Okay. The fourth highest self event since the COVID pandemic was after FTX collapse. So, and during that scenario, 280,000 coins were sold off in direct correlation to the FTX debacle and implosion or explosion, depending on how you think about that. The one that was interesting to me was this one, the start of the 2021 bull run. And what basically happened there is this last sentence. Long-term holders who sold in 2021 did for profit, while those who sold in 22 did because of fear. So this one right here, when the beginning of the 21 bull run started, there was a long-term holders of Bitcoin that sold off to basically take profit. And that's what's interesting in that scenario. So yeah, so 22, the biggest event was Russia's Ukraine invasion. What was it? 480,000, 410,000, 410,000 sold off. I wonder what it's going to be in 23. Hopefully we won't be having this conversation about 23. Hopefully we'll be having the conversation of like, yay, it's bull run. We're all good. All right. That's what I got for you. Just a little fact for you. I'll see you. Bye.